guess what? I did a thing. Also, shout out my girlfriend, dude. She's the best. I've been wanting to do this for a while. She's been nothing but supportive. It might seem silly, but it's something I've always wanted to get. So I figured put a quick little video together for you guys. Yeah, new toy in the garage. No, it's not a car. Let's go check it out. Here's the box. Just quickly took the top box kind of around everything. So the bottom section about 300 and let's round up 320. The top is a little bit lighter, not much. It's still pretty heavy, but we do have these nice little handles. So if you hit the gym and you're in decent shape, you should be able to pick it up with a buddy. Could probably lift it up myself. Oh yeah. Yeah, baby. I'm also a giant, so 6'3", and I do go to the gym. But for sure, get a buddy just to lift it, put it all together. Again, these handles are really nice to move this thing around, but what we're gonna do is basically take the top, put it there where all the packaging is, do the same for the bottom, and then just take the top and then just put it on the top of the bottom. Obviously put it all together, I believe. Should be, I don't know if it just bolts on or sits on top or what. But yeah, it looks like these things do look threaded. But again, we'll worry about that here in a bit. But there it is. Nice. Some keys. More keys. Let me finish putting it together here. Oh yeah, here she is. What do you guys think? This thing, I will say, it's, I measured everything, so it actually fit perfectly, like between there and then also the cabinets over here. Perfectly nice and flush. But it is deceivingly large. Even, again, taking measurements, it's one thing in the pictures online, watching videos, but it is tall. I'm 6'3", and I'm still looking up at this thing. But yeah, there it is. I'll post all the details below. I'm still working on getting everything organized. Have tools back here, tools in there, tools up here, of course. So again, it's been a work in progress, but it's here. I spent, should have moved the STI, but that's okay. I spent about 2 days cleaning the garage because the plan was to get this first, then the shelves, organize the shelves, then order this and organize this, but then I had the shelves ready to go. Of course, with my luck, this showed up, and then I think it was like 24 hours later, the next day, then this guy showed up. So this garage was a disaster. If you guys know me, you know how OCD I am. It is clean. Don't mind the gross floor that it's been here since we bought the house. But this whole area was a disaster. But anyways, got everything cleaned up. Let's talk about the box. I like the magnetic. Oh, you can't turn it on when it's plugged in. Anyways, cool little, good to know. Here's the box. Let's talk about the box. So, sorry for not putting actual footage of putting it, assembling it really, which it was just literally a matter of lifting the top section on top of the bottom. Well, before we did that, did the casters. These two do swivel. Those two in the back are fixed. Did the nice, it's knurled, is that the word? Knurling, like on a gun, tools. But very nice. Do have big hands, so it's appreciated. Obviously the handles, but yeah, it was literally just a matter of putting the casters, the wheels on the bottom there, and then these guys comes in basically like a rubber L. This piece here to protect the corners, and then another rubber and then just 2 bolts. That's why this thing is, it's got threads all over the place. But a cool little feature to, again, try to protect the box from getting too dinged up. Again, it is incredibly heavy, but the finish is incredible. I mean, I was about to buy one of the Husky ones. Nothing wrong with those if you have them. But I mean, come on. It went on sale, free shipping. I had to. And please excuse the mess. It's a work in progress. But let's see, let's talk about some features. So as far as this thing putting it together, just 2 little L brackets, 4 bolts on each side. And the box in and of itself does have power up here. Off? Nope. Why is that not turning off? Anyways, I promise it. Oh, there we go. I promise it works. There it is. It also, I'm not going to use it, I don't think very much, but there's another power strip right over here on this side. I don't believe it's interchangeable. Definitely not. So it's got a strip up here, a strip on the bottom section on this side, and also had the fun, can we see it from here? I also had to run, or I mean, basically I had to create another outlet because there was a box kind of similar to this on the wall, but on the bottom for an outlet, but it was not hooked up. So I had to do that. That was a fun little electrical lesson. But yeah, I mean, the box is incredible. It comes with all the liners. There's a couple of these that actually have the logo, which is super cool. Get some outlets, 2 USBs. I'm gonna put a charger up here. This whole thing's magnetic. So again, can use some stuff to stick on the box up here. Got your peg wall, which I probably won't use since I have that guy over there. But yeah, again, the top section's really, really big. Again, I'm 6'3". This thing's gotta come up when it's open a couple more inches, 6'5"-ish, 6'6". I don't know, it's tall. Again, deceivingly large. There's the top section. It's got the little shock absorbers, kind of like on a vehicle. Work pretty nicely. And then let's see, we've got 1 key, 2 keys, 3. I think that was it. Let's go through them real quick. Again, came with all the liners. Really, really nice quality. They're cut really nicely. Again, not all of them have the logo, bummer, but they're still super nice. These are also the new Tecton wrenches that I bought. But again, they're nice and deep. The drawers in and of themselves are what, 11, I think, wide. I forget how deep, like 19-ish. Look up the specs, don't quote me on that, but again, we've got a couple of drawers that are like a little bit thicker, like this top one, right? And then these slightly narrower ones. But again, they are really nice, man. They're even the soft close. Like, watch this. Maybe. There it is. So again, super, super nice. Apologize for the mess. Can you tell us can you tell what tools I use? Use your words. 1/4 inch. 3/8. It's literally my life is 3/8. Anyways, I gotta organize everything. Here are the bigger drawers. Again, this one's got the logo on the liner, which have the really long stuff here for now. Excuse my foot. And then here's gonna be the socket drawer. I didn't realize how many sockets. I'm a simple man. Like literally with this, I'll be fair, I use these the most. Get a quick peek. Why not? The Tecton Impact Deep 6-point. They just get the job done, man, for most of the stuff I do. But yeah, again, super, super nice. Very, very deep. A lot of space. Look how nice that closes. And then on the bottom section, we've got some, again, bigger ones. This one's gonna be for some of the Milwaukee tools or whatever else you have, really. You've got some drills down here, but again, very, very roomy. I like this. It also came with that too. Try to put some of the stuff, or keep it nice and organized. Another very deep drawer. I got my, I'm calling this the random crap. But, come on, baby. And look at this, got the logo down here too. So it is, first of all, it's a sauna in this garage. Second of all, super nice box. If you're even considering it, I would do it. Is it a little pricey? Yes. Are you gonna regret it? Oh no. Cry one, what is it? Pay once, cry once? So it is, again, trying to put a quick video for you guys. If you're even considering it, I'll put all the details below. But again, it fits perfectly. This garage isn't massive, but again, the fitment, it's perfect. I'm not gonna put anything on the side just to keep things a little clean. And I literally just hovering for the garage opener here. But there she is. Still gotta organize all of this. Gotta wash this dirty girl. But yeah, if you have any questions, ow! If you have any questions, put them down below. Happy to answer them. I'm pretty good about checking most of that stuff. So again, there's the Milwaukee box. Oh yeah, till the next one. See you guys.